Hello students, this is the lecture for class 3rd, subject English. Today I am going to tell you about the sentences, as we have discussed in the earlier lecture also regarding the sentences, and now in this lecture I will tell you about how to make questions, and we will compare statement and questions. I hope you understand that we are going to make questions and we will compare statement and question. हम questions कैसे बनाते हैं ये आपको बताऊंगी और हम statement और questions को compare करेंगे कि what is the difference between the both. Now, I am Deepti over here to tell all things regarding this lecture. Now we are going to compare statement and question. First of all, for a statement we put full stop at the end of the sentence. जब sentence के end में आप full stop लगाते हैं तो उस sentence को हम statement कहते हैं. Questions, we put question mark at the end. और क्वेश्चंस में हम अंत में क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाते हैं. सो आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ स्टेटमेंट एंड अ क्वेश्चन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अब मैं आपको इसका उदाहरण देती हूँ. दे आर कजन्स, वो कजन्स हैं. दिस इज अ स्टेटमेंट क्योंकि इसके एंड में जो है वो फुल स्टॉप है. आर दे कजन्स? दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन क्योंकि इसके अंत में क्वेश्चन मार्क है. एज यू कैन सी ओवर हियर दैट देयर इज अ फुल स्टॉप, दैट्स व्हाई इट इज अ स्टेटमेंट. एंड ओवर हियर आई पुट अ क्वेश्चन मार्क, दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन. नाउ वी विल मूव फॉरवर्ड. Few more examples I will give you. Which is your favorite cartoon? How are you? When will you come? As you see that in the end there is a question. आपसे कुछ पूछा जा रहा है, इसीलिए ये एक question है. Who is at the door? Why are you late? These two are also question. So these are the example of question, and all these words starts with the WH family words. You have earlier know about these words also, and today I am going to tell you about these words also, that what are WH family words. Now what do you mean by question? आप question से क्या समझते हैं? Interrogative sentences which ends with question mark, we call those sentence question. Interrogative sentence जिनका की अंत question mark से होता है, हम उनको question कहते हैं. So I hope you understand what are questions. Now we will going to give you example. The examples are: is Rama clever? क्या रमा clever है? What is your name? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? These are the examples for the interrogative sentences जिनको कि हम question भी कहते हैं. क्या रमा clever है? ये आपसे पूछा जा रहा है. If I am saying रमा is clever, रमा चालाक है, तो ये आपको बताया जा रहा है. This is the basic difference कि ये statement tells and a question ask. Usually, questions start with one of the following word. As I have earlier told you, मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया है, WH family words. Who, why, where, what, when, how, which. These are the words from the WH family. And The example for the WH family are: where are you going? What is going on? Again, you can see there is a question mark and both of the sentences are questions. So, I have just give you the example of WH family words जो कि आपका क्वेश्चंस बनाने में हेल्प करते हैं. Now, homework time. In the homework also, I am giving you fill in the blanks with correct form, with correct question words which are WH family words in the sentence given below. I am giving you sentences. मैं आपको sentences दे रही हूँ. आपको उन sentences को WH family words से ही fill करना है. I am repeating WH family words again. What, why, which, whom, when, where, how. So these are the WH family words and you have to fill these blanks with the help of these words only. Now A part. Dash is your school? Question mark. B part. Dash will you finish your homework? Question mark. Now the next one. Dash is the sky blue? Question mark. Dash is your favorite cricketer? Question mark. Dash is your name? जनरली आपसे ये क्वेश्चन बहुत बार पूछा जाता है बाय योर टीचर, बाय योर फ्रेंड और बाय एनी गेस्ट हु अराइव्ड एट योर होम. आपकी टीचर आपसे पूछती है, आपके फ्रेंड्स आपसे पूछते हैं. नाउ डैश इज सिटिंग नेक्स्ट टू यू? क्वेश्चन मार्क. Dash will you come? Question mark. So these are the sentences which you have to do in your notebook in a proper way by making a format. Lesson 1, exercise 2 you can write and fill in the blanks with the correct words from WH family. I hope you are able to do. Thank you.